Pero yung Department of Justice representative, nagawa niya yung trabaho niya eh. Yung Department of Interior and Local Government, he has no clue.
I was just instructed to attend this morning.
Siya ang instruction.
Yun lang po, Your Honor, yung sabi sa akin na dumalo lang po dito.
Nakakaya. Nakakaya po, hindi lamang po sa amin, nakakaya din sa inyo, at nakakaya sa taong bayan. Dahil, alam nyo, napapanood na tayo.
Good morning, Your Honors. I'm Attorney Earl James B. Saludo from the DILG Legal and Legislative Liaison Service Appeals Division. Well, I was just notified about this hearing last night. So I cannot, I'm not in the position to give my comment to the proposed measure.
Chairman, yes,
Yes, Your Honor.
Congressman Paduano, please.
So, yung sa DLG, your head or your principal delegated to you to attend this meeting?
Yes, sir. Only last evening.
Last evening. Pero kailan yung yung invitation dumating sa opisina nyo, DILG?
Well, I'm not familiar, Your Honor.
Nako. Again.
I'm sorry.
But you know why you are invited today?
Yes. Yes, sir. Perhaps it has something to do with the administrative case of Police Major Porcincula and others.
I think you have the wrong information. You were invited for the purpose of discussing the body-worn camera. So, were you not been informed by your higher authorities under the DILG to be present and in order to discuss the body-worn camera? What information have you gotten?
Well, they just furnished me this letter invitation dated February 9, 2024.
Pakibasa po. Tingnan natin kung ano laman ng invitation sa inyo.
Dear Secretary.
Address to whom yan? Address to whom?
Address to Secretary Abalos.
Okay. Sige.
It reads, Dear Secretary Abalos, National Police, assigned at the office of the CPMD, National Capital Region Police Office, and the District Special Operations Unit, Southern Police District, on the commission of the crimes of unlawful arrest, arbitrary detention, robbery, extortion, and coercion against 4 female Chinese nationals by Representative Romeo M. Paco. Thank you. Very truly yours, Dan S. Fernandez, Chairperson, and for the Chairperson, signed Flor L. Gonzalez, Committee Secretary.
So, Congressman Paduano, you have...
Chairman, ganito na lang
sige,
po.
go ahead.
Ano ba yung posisyon mo sa DILG? Why you are the one to represent the Secretary?
Well, I'm the officer in charge of the Appeals Division of the Legal and Legislative Liaison Division.
Ba't siya ang pinadala dito, Mr. Chairman? Siguro, Mr. Chairman, we have to send a communication to the DILG Secretary with regards to the representation of his office. Kasi, eto, binasa mo na lahat-lahat. But when the chairman asks you about your presence today, yung question of the agenda, ibang case ang sinasabi mo, but when you read the invitation, napakalinaw po. It's all about body-worn cameras.
Yes, Your Honor, among other matters.
Among other matters, that is the matter for today's hearing.
No, it's not only written on the other matters, Legal Officer Saludo?
Yes, sir.
It is written in the first paragraph of your letter that the body-worn camera will be discussed in here. And that is...
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, that is the precise letter that I have written to Secretary of DILG. And if that was submitted to you, dapat alam mo na pag-uusapan yung body-worn camera. We will not only reminding them through words, but we'll be writing a strong letter to them na wag nating baliwalain yung mga hearings like this, no? Sadly, importante yung inyong mga comments sana. But since wala, we will be going to the next invited resource speaker. The Department of Justice, we have invited them. Are you here? No name.
Morning, Mr. Chair.
Attorney Angelica Di Malanta, you are recognized, ma'am. Please state your position and your name, please.
Morning, Mr. Chair. State Counsel Angelica De Malanta from the legal staff of the Department of Justice. Again, Mr. Chair, pending finalization of our position, we would be providing that we recognize the intention of the substitute and the use of a body-worn camera may be justified on two grounds, which are malfunction or when allowed under this act. So we also seek clarity on those two provisions, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Mr. Chair,
Mukhang nagbasa to. Congressman Acop, si Congressman Acop tapos si Congressman Paduano.
may I ask the good lawyer representing the Department of Justice, when did he receive the invitation?
The department's legislative liaison office received it on 8:59 Friday, and then it was forwarded to us yesterday at around on or about 9 a.m. Mr. Chair, Ms. Representative Acop.
Yes, and you had time. I was listening to your discourse, and I think you have read the supposed draft bill with your clarifications to be asked. So I'm just asking this question because you received the invitation February 9, just as the right time or the time also that the DILG representative received the invitation. Pero yung Department of Justice representative, nagawa niya yung trabaho niya eh. Samantalang yung Department of Interior and Local Government, he has no clue insofar as the issue at hand is concerned. Yun ang napansin ko lang, Mr. Chair. Kasi nabasa ko naman yung supposed draft bill, pati yung mga bills na kagaya ng in-author ni Honorable Gomez, may mga questions na tumatama yung Department of Justice representative. So I'm just quite surprised that DILG and the DOJ received the invitation the same time, pero yung DOJ representative nakagawa ng kanilang comments and questions to be asked insofar as the provisions and the supposed draft bill are concerned. Yung DILG has no clue. So, yun lang ang aking observation na Mr. Chair. Kaya tama rin siguro yung mga pagtatanong ni Honorable Paduano kasi ako chairman din na isang committee, yan din ang napapansin ko sa aking mga committees. Paiba-iba yung dumarating, walang masabi yung ibang pinapadala, yung iba naman magsisik pa ng guidance. So I think, Mr. Chair, this has to be resolved. It is just an observation, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
This will serve as a reminder to all the resource speakers that will be invited in this hearing, no? And to the following investigation, be prepared, no? Otherwise, nakakaya po hindi lamang po sa amin, nakakaya din sa inyo, nakakaya sa taong bayan dahil alam niyo, napapanood na tayo, binapanood kayo dito lahat. Kaya pag pupunta kayo dito, siguraduhin niyo prepare kayo. Otherwise, you will be put in shame. Unintentionally, ha? Because lahat kami dito, nag-aaral kami, pinag-aaralan namin lahat ng aming pinag-discuss dito. And I hope that we are all government official, no? And for that matter, we have to be prepared. Sayang yung binabayad ng taong bayan sa atin. Congressman Paduano.
Thank you, Chairman. This is just a rejoinder to the statement of manifestation being made by Chairman Acop. Well, in fact, I joined Chairman Acop, not supposedly that was something that was said. But again, I'd just like to commend the good representative from the DOJ. Kasi hearing from your initial that is not yet final, di ba?
No,
Okay, tamo, initial pa lang.
Si Congressman Vice Chairman Celso Regencia, you are recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, this is only a sort of gentle reminder. As I accepted the work to head the technical working group, gusto ko lang po na bago ako tatamaan sa chairman na si Congressman Dan Fernandez, ay tatamaan din kayo kung hindi kayo magseryoso during our discussion or hearing. Yun lang ang reminder ko. No? Dahil for my 1 year and 6 months of staying here in the Congress, yun na lang palagi ang mga reasons ang naobserbahan ko. Hindi handa, we will give our position papers 1 week after. So kung gano'n ang mangyari during the discussion of the technical working group, bago ako mapagalitan ni Chairman Dan Fernandez, tatamaan kayo sa akin. Yun lang, Mr. Chair.